Alright, hello. So it's time for that race up the mountain. We're gonna try for 13 minutes. So what is it, 24, 25 kilometers. The weather is my perfect kind of racing weather. So yeah, we should be able to do this. This shouldn't be a problem. Let me give you guys a little tip for all you noobs out here trying to race like me, okay? The reason why you can't lean, the reason why you're failing when you try to hit these corners is this right here, okay? Your tire width. So, you need more width on your tire. That way when you're leaning, it's only a little part of your tire that's actually making contact. Sorry. It's only a little part of your tire here that's making contact. So if you have a little, little tire, like for example, let's compare it to this one right here, all right? Look right here. So I get a lot of guys that try to race me on these little things right here. You got this tiny little tire here. It's already like this big. So when you're leaning, that's how much is actually contact you're making with the ground. So that's why, you know, you're gonna lose every single lane and race when you go. So have your tire, make sure it's a thick tire, and be sure you have the skill to know how to ride it. If you don't, you're not gonna be riding. So all right, so anyways, what's some dude saying hello? Anyways, this is my Inquisitor Malik. Inquisitor Malik. I'm on carpet here. How do we look? I want to paint this helmet black. So this is my Sith Lord helmet. We got the Batman helmet, right? So now all we need is the Sith Lord helmet. We're gonna paint this all black. So yeah, this one's a little bit lighter. And the problem with the other helmet, both lenses are dark. My eyes have adjusted to be able to see out of it. The only reason I like this one is a little bit more snug. So it's not bouncing on my head a little bit since my head is shrunk since I've lost so much weight. So yeah, we're gonna do some racing. You can see it's a beautiful day here in Vietnam. Nice and gray, nice and cloudy. Perfect racing weather. I got maybe like an hour left of daylight, so more incentive for me to get to racing. So yeah, let's get her going, huh? We got a half tank of gas. I think we're good. So all right, let's button up the hatches like the submarines say, right? All right, gear check. Pockets locked. Always make sure your pockets are locked or you're gonna lose your money. Mask up, face mask up, bug mask on. Setting barometer. Beep 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 beep. Iron Man suit. Jarvis, speak to me. Yes, sir. All right, give me a systems check. Running down. All systems a go. All right, we're good. Let's race. I'll see you guys on top of the mountain. Peace. Peace. How do I start this with no hands? All right, we'll put it in neutral. How about that? There we go. The money shot right there, baby. That's the money shot, right? Wait till I get this thing tuned even more, right? So you notice when it revs, you see that bar right there? That is your rev limiter. So you could tune that so when you're up going faster, that you can increase it so it'll actually go further, allowing you to get more power out of each gear. They do that so you won't blow out your engines and waste gas. But on these kind of bikes here, which are already made for racing, they're already like double what things like these are, triple, you know, what these are. But you can even program them even more to for all those racing needs. Okay. One of the few times I feel alive is that feeling before a race. You feel that? It is the feeling of knowing it could be the last one. It's that feeling of just knowing. Just knowing. And let's roll down the hill. So anyways, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. India.